Now, the other news today that's causing concern among many, AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria yesterday warned that the misuse of CT scans and biomarkers by patients having mild COVID symptoms. He said that the overuse of CT scans is increasing exposure to radiation that in turn escalates the risk of cancer.
कई स्टडीज हुई हैं। एक स्टडी हुई है जिन्होंने एसिम्प्टोमेटिक लोगों में सीटी देखा और ये पाया कि 30 से 40% एसिम्प्टोमेटिक लोग जिनको कोई लक्षण नहीं है, सिर्फ उनका कोविड पॉजिटिव है, उनके सीटी में भी कुछ पैचेस आते हैं और वो अपने आप बिना ट्रीटमेंट के खत्म हो जाते हैं। अगर हम एक सीटी कराते हैं, इट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू ऑलमोस्ट 300 to 400 चेस्ट एक्सरेज। और ये भी डेटा है IAEA का भी, इंटरनेशनल एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन का भी डेटा है, जो रेडिएशन प्रोटेक्शन इन मेडिसिन की बात करते हैं, कि बार बार स्पेशली यंगर एज ग्रुप में सीटी कराने से रिस्क ऑफ कैंसर इन लेटर लाइफ इंक्रीजेस। तो आप अपने आप को नुकसान ही ज़्यादा करा रहे हैं जब उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आप अपने आप को रेडिएशन एक्सपोजर कर रहे हैं और उससे बाद में कैंसर होने का चांस बढ़ सकता है।
Well, to talk more about what Dr. Guleria has said, we're joined by Dr. Yatin Mehta, Chairman, Medanta Institute of Critical Care. Thank you so much, Doctor, for joining us. So first and foremost, this has caused a lot of alarm among people, and we do know that a lot of people have been getting CT scans, especially in this second wave of the pandemic. If you could just explain to us, when is it that people do need to get a CT scan?
See, first of all, let me tell all the audience that CT scan decision is to be taken by doctors and not by yourself alone. What has happened because of this too much of exposure on the television about COVID, that people have become half doctors. They should not be doing CT scans themselves. CT scan has limited role. It has really no role in non-hospitalized domiciliary patients. Okay, first of all. Secondly, if a patient is hospitalized and oxygen dependent, then the doctor will decide on the CT scan whether the patient is stable or not. Even in very severe patients, we at times do not do CT scans because it really does not significantly change your management. Okay? It is just to know how severe the disease is. It's more of a prognostic indicator and see if the patient is getting better or not. That too in stable patients. In unstable patients, you can't do CT scans. So CT scan in the management has really not a huge role. People should not do it on themselves. It's a wrong thing. You are crowding the CT scan facilities. You are exposing other people. If you are suspected, if you have the disease, you are exposing other people. If you do not have disease, then you are likely to acquire it because you will be surrounded by so many people who may be carrying the virus.
Right. Doctor, some people have pointed out that, in some cases, the RT-PCR test is showing negative when the person is having the symptoms. And in that case, the CT scan is also helping to prove that there is a coronavirus. Then some, again, this I'm talking about, what viewer feedback has been about this issue, that, people have a mild case of COVID, but when they do the CT scan, they realize they have pneumonia in their lungs. And, all sorts of things are being said right now. So what would you say to that?
See, Gargi, the American Radiology Society has clearly said that there are no specific markers of CT image in COVID. There are suspicious lesions which will indicate, but they are not specific. So there is nothing specific, like RT-PCR is specific for COVID. If your RT-PCR is positive, that means you have COVID. You may have suspicious lesions in the lungs on CT scan, still it's not confirmatory of COVID. So this is not correct. Although agreed that RT-PCR can be false negative, but so can the CT be. A normal pneumonia also can imitate the...
So was Dr. Guleria's warning in a sense also to doctors across the country, because you are of course in Medanta, but there's so many, doctors and small town doctors, etc. And it just seems that it's just become like a regular thing to ask for a CT scan.
It has. And unfortunately, we are stretching our resources unnecessarily and exposing people to unnecessary radiation, which Dr. Guleria talked about. I mean, it's not a benign procedure. CT has exposing you to radiation, which itself can be detrimental on a long-term basis. So I would not advise people to run for CT scan and establish their diagnosis, what they have. And then leave it to the doctors. And I'll also advise all the other peripheral doctors, general practitioners or whatever respiratory medicine guys, not to unnecessarily prescribe CT scans. It's not required.
All right. So that's an important, warning regarding this, because we have seen that, indiscriminately people are getting CT scans, whether by the doctor advice or not.